Turn the camera on and immediately missed the target.
No, that's not gonna work.
It's like, what am I doing? I got power tools. Just use that crap. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this in this camera or not, but let's see, right there, I seem to have developed a hinge. So now I gotta take all of this material off just so it doesn't break at that point right there. And then I'm gonna leave this one alone because that seems to be bending pretty evenly. But I gotta fix this. I think finished draw weight, I'm gonna aim for about 25 pounds on this one. It's not a hunting weight bow. This is actually a training bow for somebody else. Alright, I got most of it figured out. Six, 7. That's it, that's 28 inches right there. 12 starts there. Looks okay. So what kind of draw weight we've got. .6 21. If you all can see that or not. Okay. It's 4 pounds lighter than I originally intended, but the moment I started pushing 25, I started getting little creases showing up on the back side of this. Actually, so you can see any of this. Yeah, this right there, that right there. Then you can definitely tell. That's out of the way. Focus. Yeah. Some little marks right there. So whatever this white wood they sell is, not suitable for anything over 20. Hey, you know what? First board bow. At least it didn't break, so that's good news. Let's put a handle on this thing. Get a leather wrap grip on this thing. Served it in red. Finally get to shoot it.
See how it goes.
What's that?
Wipe on out.
Yeah. You don't have much time behind a traditional bow, do you?
Nope.
No? Just compound? What do you think?
Feels good to shoot. I'll just be practicing.
Well, what's that? 3 out of 6?
I count that 2 out of 6 because the lower one was not intended.
Not intended.
I
Okay.
aimed for the upper one, I hit the lower one.
Okay. Keep shooting, try again. Right on the edge of the target?
Yeah.
Hold on, what's that? Yeah. Lens not big enough to see it.
Good, I can't see my mistakes.
I'll get up close for it next time.
Poking out the back.
Yeah, you shot between the foam and the wrapping on the side.
I see daylight through there.
Arguably a harder shot than a bullseye. I'll take it.
Did you do it on purpose?
For the video, I'll say yes.
No, you did not. It doesn't count.
Now let's see if Amy can shoot with a glove on. Yeah, nope.
I'm not sure if you're getting full draw on that thing.
No, I didn't. That's another thing. Yeah, see.
Yeah.
It's been too long since I've been on a traditional bow, so I don't remember entirely what I'm doing.
Compensate, artillery shot.
It's also not your bow.
There is that too. Oh, I'm a better shot than this. This is terrible.
I'll say you're not getting a full draw of the bow. There you
Well,
go.
at least I made it down there. Better.
Hey!
Woo!
Hitting in that spot, I'm gonna end up flipping this thing. Over this way. You'd think I'd know how to shoot my own bow that I built.
Camera
Turn the
curse.
camera on and immediately f***ing missed the target.
Need to make a bloopers roll.
God, that sucks.